Competition is the subject. Competition is healthy for the soul. And if you are a buyer, you know the meaning of competition right now. It is steep out there trying to get your dream home. Here's the thing. You want an experienced agent who's going to talk to you not just about price, but about terms and conditions, because those things are usually the magic bullet that helps put somebody over the top. Terms and conditions. So terms, like you're going to be getting inspections, and you're going to be taking those inspections and using them to further negotiate, and or appraisals. And is the appraisal going to meet expectations, or will there be an appraisal gap? Because if there's an appraisal gap, the buyer's going to have to make up that difference, or the seller's going to have to change their price point. And after they've negotiated, they're not going to be terribly excited about that. So you need to talk to an agent who knows how to structure those offers, get a little creative with some other solutions besides the basics of inspections and financing, and see what other ideas might be helpful that have a minimal cost but really relieve some hassle for the sellers. That's the kind of thing that can put you over the edge in this very competitive market. Here at your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, the Nancy Kowalik Group, we train our agents weekly to make sure that they're aware of current market conditions, best practices, and ways to make sure you're winning your bids. If you'd like further information, call the number on the screen below. Go make it a great day.